Hello and welcome to a new video from the Digital SAT course with me, Mr. Gamal. In this video, we're going to tackle one of the details question. As here, the question stem asks about a specific detail. It says, according to the text, how does the narrator feel about being in a summer camp? Let's read to get to know how does he feel. So the narrator has just arrived at a summer camp, which is far away from his home. This place was different than I thought it would be. I'd never been somewhere like this before. I did feel scared, but also excited. So we can say that the narrator here feels scared and excited. So feels overjoyed, feels peaceful, feels both scared and excited. For sure, this is the correct answer. Feels both angry and jealous. For sure not. So C is the correct answer choice. Have a good day and thank you so much.